Hey guys, this is James from Poly Performance, and this is Poly Garage. What's up guys? So this is Poly Garage, and today we are going to be showing you what is included in the Synergy Jeep JL HD steering kit. Let's get to it. So first we're going to start with the Jeep JL HD tie rod that's included in the steering kit. Let's get it open. So here's the Synergy heavy duty tie rod for the Jeep JL. It's a CNC formed 1.5" 188 wall heat treated chromoly tubing. This will give immediate strength and steering feel, stiffness, and control while driving down the road. With the HD tie rod, you have to use the Synergy high mount steering stabilizer relocation kit, as the factory steering stabilizer mount gets removed off of the factory tie rod when you put this new bar on. So here we have the Synergy HD drag link that's included in the steering kit. Let's go ahead and open this up and get on to it. So here we have the Jeep JL heavy duty drag link, which is also a CNC formed bar made out of 1.5" 250 wall tubing, which is a fully welded design, unlike the OEM crimp design. The increased tubing wall on this drag link will give a stronger feel and stiffness driving down the road, as well as direct connection to the trail and road than OEM. So each one of these bars here is going to have a single plane tie rod end on one end of the bar. It's going to help with fight against drag link flop and tie rod flop as you're driving down the road, and prevent dead spots in your steering as you're using the hydro assist application as well. So if you look here, Synergy uses a double adjuster sleeve on one end of each one of these bars, so you can also adjust the tie rod and drag link without removing it from the vehicle. And they also powder coat these with an abrasion resistant powder coat that'll help fight against dirt, dust, and grime as we're driving down the road or trail. So here you have it guys. Here's the Synergy Jeep JL HD steering kit. Be sure to check out this product link in the comments below, or visit us at www.polyperformance.com, and we'll see you later.